today we are putting on hood louvers. And so we got some from this company called Run Cool. They're semi-long hood louvers. These bad boys right here. We're gonna be throwing them on top of the hood. So we're gonna start by removing the hood, putting it down on the ground here, measuring, making sure these are where we want it to be, and then we're gonna slap them in. So we're gonna take you through the process, but we're also gonna take a look at how effective hood louvers are, because I've never had any, and this thing's been kind of struggling staying at temperature, especially in like 110 degree weather. It's been a little rough, so we're gonna see if this has a play and if this helps. Let's cut some holes in this hood. This bad boy. We want to put the hood louvers directly above the exhaust manifold, because that's one of the parts that build the most heat. And so we want a clear way of exit for that heat to go out. And so I'm going to measure the exhaust manifold from side to side and see how far away they are, and then we'll put the louvers just as far apart away from each other. So the exhaust manifold is 20 to 21 inches away from each other, right around there. And so we'll be throwing the hood louvers on. Center mass is going to be 20 to 21 inches away from each other. That way it gets the most airflow. And so now we're gonna be taking our masking tape and doing an outline around the louvers. That way we know kind of where to cut, and then we'll do another layer of the tape on the inside, and then that's actually where we're gonna cut. That way we have extra purchase to put in the rivets. All right, let's get to cutting. All right, so now I'm gonna be removing the inner lining of tape, and then I'm going to drill the holes for the rivets, and then we'll pop those rivets in, and we'll see how she looks. Got her all riveted in, and now we gotta untape her. So we're rolling in the car. So by my understanding, hood louvers are supposed to help with the running temp of your engine. as well as keeping the health in like all of your plastic and wire looming and stuff that's in your engine, because there's less heat that's kind of stuck under the hood. And I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. They look pretty sweet on here, but we're gonna see if it actually helps. We're gonna kind of see what's going on. So it's 102 outside right now. It warms up to temp pretty quick when it's this hot, and so we're gonna kind of see how long it takes for it to get up to temp. It rests right at 210 all the time. That's like its running temperature, and we're gonna see if it brings that down at all or kind of postpones how fast it takes to warm up to that temperature. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it and let you guys know. So I've been driving around for about 15-20 minutes. A lot of stop and go, a lot of slow speed. So usually on a day like this, it's 105. We would be kind of going over 210 by just a little bit, and it hasn't went even on 210. So it definitely made a difference. Whether that difference is massive or not, whatever, you know, but it did help, and it does make it look a little bit cooler, I'd say, you know. But yeah, that's how you install some louvers on your 03 GMC Yukon. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Convention friends are going home. Peace.